Today we're talking about precipitation, which means water coming from the sky. Let's start with rain. When the weather is rainy and someone asks you about it, there are a few possible answers.
What's the weather like?
You can say, "It's raining." "It's a rainy day." "It's been raining all day." "It's gray and rainy." "It's just a wet day." You might also answer, "We're getting some showers." "It's raining on and off." "We're having a rain shower." That means it rains, it stops, and then it rains again. What if it's raining lightly? You might answer, "It's drizzling." Now, what if the rain is very heavy? What do you say when it's raining really hard? You might answer, "It's pouring." "It's a downpour." "It's coming down hard." Now let's talk about snow. Snow is also a type of precipitation. What do you say when snow is falling? You might answer, "It's snowing." "It's a snowy day." If it's snowing but the snow melts a little as it falls, you might say, "It's sleeting." We're getting sleet. So far, we talked about rain and snow. Now let's talk about precipitation that comes as ice. What do you say when ice falls from the sky? You might answer, "It's hailing," or "There's hail." Sometimes very small drops of water in the air come together and form a thick cloud close to the ground. It's not falling like rain, it's more like a cloud around us. So if someone asks you, "How's the weather?" you can answer like this: "It's foggy." "There's thick fog out there, and it's hard to see." "It's misty." "It's hazy out there." How's the weather where you live today? Write it in the comments.